Hey, sneekylinux back again. I'm back with another pup. Okay, another one based on Puppy 525. This is Rexbang 2.4 Beta, another Rexbang. Remember, I done Rexbang not too long ago because it was pretty super duper, and I like the bangs anyway. Do you like bangs? I like bangs, yes. Like arch bang and crunch bang and bang of the bang, 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 bang. So anyway, up here we have Conky, who's me, host. CPU usage, not too bad. Like the CPU temperature, it's not actually working correctly because it is actually running the box, this one, to get a nice full screen for you, okay? RAM usage, nice, just under 60, so that's lovely. Here are your shortcut keys, as you would expect in a Bang distro, or Bang-based distro, should we say. They're all there for you to use, which is really nice. I like it anyway. And they all work really, really good, which is what you want to use. Because using a Bang distro, shall we say, you can use a lot more shortcuts in doing stuff, so that's really cool for me. Right, your file system over here, you get a choice of file managers when you first click on it, okay? But I just chose the basic puppy one for me. You also get a choice of Thunar as well. Console is URXVT, as usual. You get your browser, which we'll come back to. Chat, okay? You get a choice of two, Pigeon or XChat. You basically click on the one you want to use mainly, so I'm going to click on Pigeon, right there. Basically, we'll double click on it. Single? Yeah, that was a single, I can't remember now. And there you go, Pigeon opens up. Then you do your normal stuff of adding all your information, and off you go. So we'll come out of that, just like that. Right, what else can I show you? The editor is Genie, so that's usual puppy stuff. It's really nice. Right, some things don't actually work correctly in it, but remember it is a beta, so don't worry too much about it. Right, also, I couldn't get it to install correctly, because you know I normally do a hard disk install on this. It just wouldn't have it. It's alright installing, but it just doesn't boot. So something I'm going to grab somewhere along the line, basically, is all I can find out. But I will look into that a bit further, okay? Right, you get some stuff in your accessories here, but not too much. But you can install as much as you like. Now, as you would expect, Abby Words Your Baby for text. And if we go down a bit further in applications, your spreadsheet will be genumeric, all fast and light applications for you to use, which is nice. Is that nice? Yes, nice. Right, your standard browser is Chrome. And obviously when you start this up, you get a choice of your search engine, but I've just chose Google just to show you, you know, don't like Bing anyway, really, it's not my cup of tea. Right, I've actually bookmarked the page for you, so we go there. There we go, and this is the Rexbang page where you can actually download it if you want to try it, okay? And that's just come out about 2 weeks ago, so it's still pretty new, and the guy working on his own, you know what I'm saying? Takes a long time to do stuff. But as you can see here, it tells you lots of stuff that you would like to know about stuff, okay? So there you go, Google Chrome is updated, Puppy Package Manager, Tint 2, Remaster, Pup 3, Open Box Menu, lots of stuff he's updated since the last release. You can download it from that link there. Takes about, all depending on your broadband connection, about 2 minutes. On a good day, that is. You know what I'm saying? On a good day. If you do it in the main time when everyone's on the internet, not so much in the UK, if you know what I mean. Right, anyway, so we go down to our CPU thing down here. As you can see, it's saying it's really high. Well, I know for a fact that it isn't, but this is because some of the sensors don't actually work in VirtualBox, okay? Which ain't very good really, but hey, what do you expect? It's a VirtualBox, but it's the latest one. Now, I've not set our CPU scaling up, because there's no point, it's just, I'm only using this to show you what the distro's like. So don't worry about that too much, but if you go to Help, it tells you how to set up all the sensor stuff for AMD and the others. You know, AMD's mainly one here, really. Yeah, this was an AMD I'm using now, by the way. Yeah, funny you should say that. But yeah, for any other processor, it tells you what to do. Yeah, so that's super duper. The pup control panel's there. Quick Pet is here. It's version 4.5. So yeah, it's all up to date. So Quick Pet, you can download all your most popular internet stuff. So Chromium, Thunderbird, Pigeon, stuff like that. Audacity, VLC Composer, Cinderella. It's not a fella, but a Gildy G. And if you go to the FSS Get, you can get all your full Office stuff and Skype and whatever you want. And the driver section is pretty good too. Well, on the whole, I've not had it too bad a job of this, but just pity it wasn't installed correctly, or it won't install correctly. That was a bit of a bummer. But you know, you can't have everything, can you? And it is a beta. Remember, a beta, pumpkin eater, and all that. Rexbang, nice. 4 out of 5. sneekylinux out. I see you later. Bye bye.